Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make designer stew. First, gather your premium ingredients, focusing on quality cuts of meat and fresh vegetables. Next, we will walk through the simple preparation steps, ensuring each component contributes to a harmonious flavor profile. Finally, I will share tips for perfecting the texture and presentation, making your stew a truly impressive dish. This easy method guarantees a delightful culinary experience for any home cook. For an exceptional designer stew, ingredient selection is paramount. Start with about 2 pounds of well-marbled beef chuck, cut into uniform 1.5-inch pieces. This ensures even cooking and tenderness. You'll also need 1 cup of small pearl onions and 2 large carrots, along with 4 cups of robust beef broth. Don't forget 1/2 cup of a good dry red wine and fresh herbs such as 3 sprigs of thyme and 1 bay leaf to infuse deep, aromatic flavors. Preparing your designer stew is surprisingly simple. Begin by searing your beef cubes in about 2 tablespoons of olive oil until they achieve a beautiful brown crust on all sides. This step locks in flavor. Then, add your chopped vegetables, sautéing them for approximately 5 minutes until they begin to soften. Deglaze the pot with your red wine, ensuring you scrape up all those flavorful brown bits. Finally, add the broth and herbs, then simmer for 2 hours, or until the beef is wonderfully fork tender. To finish your designer stew, taste and adjust the seasoning with salt and freshly ground black pepper. If you prefer a thicker consistency, mix 1 tablespoon of cornstarch with an equal amount of cold water to create a slurry, then stir it into the simmering stew. For an elegant touch, garnish with fresh parsley or chives. Serve your exquisite stew hot, perhaps alongside some crusty bread or creamy mashed potatoes, for a truly satisfying and impressive meal.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.